get your chains laid out. There's the chains. Obviously, these are going to go in the rear tires, rear wheel drive, and so ideally you put these on before you get stuck or before you hit the deep snow. Kind of tucked it in around the tire there as far as I can get it back. So you kind of get this side on too without even moving the vehicle at all. And so this is kind of cool here. So you got this contraption and this right there. So it's kind of neat how this works. So this slides up and through there. Try to do this with one hand. Take this piece. Right, go all the way through there till it sits down in the bottom like that. And then it'll come back like this. And then this piece slides over. Oh yeah, it looks like this. So now we got our outside locked in. Now we lock the inside. So we got a hook here. That hook is going to hook to the other side and on the inside. Right to that end there. Okay, so you have to get under the truck here a little bit. Grab that. Grab your hook here. And get it connected to this piece. Okay. There we go, got it connected right there. Okay, now we got both sides clamped in. Now, chains come with these here. So those will go around each one here. Like that. You just kind of make a four corners. This will just keep the, one side will go down here. I'm gonna need two hands for that. That's how you put on chains. You don't even have to move the vehicle. That's how you put chains on a Toyota Tacoma and most other vehicles too. Some of the clamping systems are a little bit different, but it's the same idea. Good to practice this before you actually have to do it. And keep them with the vehicle in case you ever need it. Thank you for watching.